Hi everyone, welcome to Self Makeup Mastery channel. Learning again a different makeup look. Here is a very simple, quick makeup which I have paired up with a beautiful sari which is Georgette and has a extreme heavy border, which I'm going to show you the entire sari as well, how the work is being done on the sari and the color combination. For this, I have used a holographic eye makeup and a very simple lipstick and a natural makeup, which I was able to do very quickly. Even the eye makeup is very easy to learn and try this makeup look. These are best for any small get-togethers, you being a guest in receptions, attending receptions, or wedding events or sangeet. This looks very trendy as well. So why delay? Let's go ahead and learn this makeup look step by step. So let me just tie my hair. Now, as you all know, this is winter, so hydration is very important. I'll do a close-up so you can see I have a little bit of dryness, flaky, all of this on my face. So for this, we definitely need double moisturizer. So here I'm using Lotus White Glow. We also have a breakout right here. So on a clean face, just massaging the moisturizer into my skin. So I'm going to go with the foundation. This is Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 220. All the link will be given in the description. You can go ahead and check. So here's the foundation. Cutting this all over. And always apply it towards downward motion. Once it is done, let me take a close-up look. A little bit of dryness right here on the forehead. Not to worry, we will go ahead and use hydrating mist, compact, sealing the foundation. Now that's it. So let's quickly go with blush. And straight away get into the contour. I'm using the same brush, going over the jaws, cheeks, nose a little bit. So all I did was jaw, contouring my jaw, cheeks, a little bit on the nose, and then the forehead. Now once that is done, let's quickly move into the highlighting part. Cheeks, bridge of the nose, forehead, a little bit on the eyebrow and chin. Let's blend it. So this is all about the face. So before we move, so let me just go with the hydrating mist. and let it dry. Now meanwhile the face gets dried up, let me just groom my brow. If the brows are not thick enough or it's not filled properly, it doesn't look nice. So that's a reason we went with the thick brows today. Now here is a major part, the eyes. So for this, I'm using this holographic liner. So that's a very thick coat of this holographic color. But I'm going to use only in the first half of the eyes. I want to make this look very bold and proper. So for this I'm using a blush itself, just to give a color at the edge, a soft pink. To the crease and the remaining eyeshadow. Let's blend it properly. Let's do the same thing on this side as well. I want more soft peach tone here. I hope you can see it clearly. It's in very close-up look. Now I'm going to use kajal. This is very smooth and buttery. If you want, the link is in the bio. And I'm just going to soften the eyes. Let's go with the kajal as well. And no wing today. Let's go with mascara. And using the same soft pink shade, which is our blush itself, on the lower lashes as well, so that the kajal looks more brighter. Let me go with the lipstick. Keeping it just fresh and neutralized color. Going over a bindi here. Even the jewelry is very minimal for this look. No neck piece this time. A drop shaped bindi. And let's go with the lashes. That's it, guys. I hope you love this look. I hope you love this eye makeup as well. And this is about this quick and easy makeup, and that also matches the trend. And these are good for any get-together party, sangeet or reception when you are attending as a guest. Looks very simple, elegant, but still you are making use of all the trendy colors in the palette. What kind of makeup look you want to learn next? Comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and learn all these makeup looks step by step every Friday. Till then, see you. Bye bye.